Hello ladies, welcome back to my channel. Well, let's just get started. Right here I am pushing back the cuticle, and then I'm gonna go in with my cuticle nipper, and I'm gonna cut off all the dead skin. Then I'm gonna go in with this nail bit. You guys can purchase this in Amazon. I have my link below in the description. Now we are going to go in and take off the shine off the nail. Here I'm going in with my nail tips. The ones I use are the BU long stiletto tips. You guys can purchase these in Amazon. I have the link down below. As you guys can see, guys, the tip is pretty big, so you don't want to add a smaller tip because that's what causes the nail to break or pop off. So you just want to add that one and just cut the sides with the zip. Now we are cutting the nails. To file the nail, I'm using 100 by 100 file. We are going in and we are blending a nail tip with the natural nail. Now we are going in with my Mia Secret sanitizer spray. We are going to remove all the dust off the nail. Make sure to do this step, guys, because if you don't, you will get lifting. I'm using a lint-free wipe. Also, guys, make sure to check out my Amazon link because I will be adding some products there that you guys can purchase for cheap. You guys can also get these lint-free wipes there. Now I am going in with my dehydrator. I'm using the Valentino one. You guys can go to his website, Valentino Beauty Pure, and you guys can purchase that there. I go over the nail twice, and then I'm going in with my primer, and I like doing this twice as well, even sometimes 3 times when I'm about to add the acrylic on the nail. And now I'm going to add a small layer of the crystal clear acrylic before I add the color acrylic. Make sure, ladies, always to clean the sides of the nail so you can keep that perfect shape and also keep it clean so you guys won't have to file so much. I'm gonna show you guys how I dip in my brush in the monomer and how I dip it in the acrylic powder. Let me just fix the camera here and I'm gonna show you guys so you guys can kind of get an idea on how I do it. I love using the 3-bead method also because it helps me stay kind of clean and it gives me time to clean around the edges. Also, it helps me when I go in and file. It helps me keep it just clean and it'll save you some time, guys, as well. Now we are going to do an ombre. I'm gonna add the white and then I'm gonna add the cappuccino color. This one you can get it at Mika's Nail Supply. The white color is from Valentino. Now we are doing a marble effect. I only do marble with acrylic powder. Now I go back and I encapsulate all the nails. I'm using Crystal Clear by Valentino. Now I'm gonna go in and push the skin down and I'm gonna file. I'm using a 100 by 100 file. This is the only file I use, you guys. go in with the e-file and file down the nail. Also, I would like to mention I'm using the Valentino e-file and the nail bit as well. You guys can purchase it on his website. With my Mia Secret buffer. It's 100 by 180. I'm going to go ahead and buff all the nails. And in with my Mia Secret sanitizer spray, removing all the nail dust. Going to apply LV stickers on 2 of her nails.